Welcome to another video of our channel, Best Out of Best. Meet the Mera Fertility Tracker, the advanced tool for women trying to conceive. Accurate hormone measurements and a user-friendly app provide personalized insights to help you identify your fertile window and improve your chances of getting pregnant. Highlighting the key features, the Mira Fertility Tracker uses electrochemical luminescence technology to provide accurate and precise hormone measurements. The device measures the levels of LH, E3G, PDG, and FSH hormones in urine samples, providing a comprehensive overview of fertility. And with its easy-to-read LCD display, tracking your fertility has never been simpler. Using urine strips as its mode of method, the Mera Fertility Tracker ensures accurate results with every use. The Mera Fertility Tracker is FDA approved, giving you peace of mind that it's safe and effective. And with the ability to connect with the Mira app on both iOS and Android devices, experience the power of the Mera Fertility Tracker for yourself and take control of your reproductive health. Get yours today. Here are some pros and cons of the Mera Fertility Tracker. Pros. Number 1. The Mera Fertility Tracker uses electrochemical luminescence technology to measure hormone levels, providing accurate and precise readings. Number 2. The device is user-friendly and comes with a companion app that provides personalized insights and predictions based on hormone measurements. Number 3. The Mera Fertility Tracker is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around and use on the go. Number 4. The device has a long-lasting battery. Number 5. The Mera Fertility Tracker comes with different types of test strips for different hormone measurements, making it a versatile tool for tracking fertility. Cons. Number 1. The Mera Fertility Tracker is relatively expensive compared to other fertility tracking methods. Number 2. The device requires a smartphone with Bluetooth connectivity to sync data and receive insights, which may be a drawback for some users. Number 3. The device requires specific test strips to measure hormones, which may not be readily available in all areas. For more information, you can check our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.